Greetings bakers, let's make fried plantains or tostones. Begin by opening your plantains. I look for the largest vein on the plantain and make a long incision with my knife. Then I insert my finger and work my way around the peel to remove it. Continue this process with the rest of your plantains. If you want me to make a detailed video on how to remove plantain husks, just let me know in the comments. Now it's time to slice your plantain. Hold the plantain in the palm of your hand and just make diagonal cuts like so. You don't want them too thick, but you don't want them too thin. Aim for the size that I'm showing you. Once that's done, pour your oil into a pan. I used olive oil. And on medium heat, begin to fry your plantains. You want to let the oil heat up before adding your plantains. You can use either your fingers or your tongues, as I just demonstrated. Add as many plantains as can fit, but you don't want to overcrowd your pan. This is good. After a few minutes, begin to turn your plantains over. You want to see a nice light brown like you see on some of these plantains. You don't want it to be too dark because we will be frying it again. After you achieve this nice light brown color or even lighter, remove the plantains from your pan and transfer to a plate. Now it's time to squash the plantains so that we can fry them once again. I'm using the bottom of a cup, but there's a certain tool that you can buy from maybe a Mexican store or grocery store that can help you flatten them, but this does the job pretty well. Just continue this process with all of your plantains, and once this is done, we will once again fry to a nice golden brown color. This adds more crispiness and crunch and flavor. Bonus tip, if you have like a savory chicken sauce or maybe some other savory delicious sauce that you can let your plantains sit in for a couple minutes and then refry, that will add more flavor. Allow me to caution you, if you decide to take this approach, you will want to let the residual sauce drip off the plantains before you fry them, otherwise you'll get burned. So here's the final result after frying the plantains. Here I have some of my spicy coleslaw, which I made on a short, but this was absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching.